Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Power BI classes, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to input data manually in Power BI. So this is a easy and fast way, and I'm gonna show you right now. Let's do it together. So guys, here is my screen of Power BI. So to introduce the data, to input the data manually, it's easy peasy. So how to do it? We just have to go to this section over here, home, and then click in this button over here, enter data. So this is how to introduce data manually. So Power BI will show us this create table settings over here, and then we just have to name it the column. So the first column in my case will be date, and then just click in this plus symbol over here, and then you can just choose rename it another column. Okay, so the first one will be called date, and the second one sales, for example, sales related to money. So then you just, if you want, you can just add more columns. If you add by mistake, just click with the right button of your mouse and then delete here. Just click and delete, and then you will just delete the columns, right? Also in the lines, we can just insert more lines clicking this plus sign over here. But if we just want to delete some rows, we can just click in the rows and then delete. Click in the rows, delete, click, delete. I will just put some 6 rows, and then the first one will be January 1st. So then January 1st, 2022. The second one will be February 1st, 2022. Okay, this is the wrong way to write. And then March 1st, 2022. April 1st, 2022, May 1st, 2022, and finally June 1st, 2022 as well. So after finish that, we have just to put the sales. So the first one will be 10,000, the second one 5,000, then I will put some 2,000, then 20,000, then 50,000, for example, when finally 5,000. That's all for now. Then you just have to select it over here, below here, the name of the table. So this table will be sales data set. This is the name of my table. After do that, just click in this button, load, and you will see that this manual information was included in this right side, right? So look at sales data set with my own information. If I go to the left and click in this second part over here, data, call it data, I will see the information. So automatically Power BI just identify that my date information is related to data, and then you just change the field to date type, right? If you click it over here in the name of the table, and then in the field you will see the data type in this left superior over here. Okay, if you want to change, guys, for by mistake you just put some wrong information, it's easy to fix. Just go to the home section and then click in this button over here, transform data again, and the Power Query will appear in front of you. After Power Query appear, you can just go to the source step in this right side over here, and then click in these settings, and then you can just change the information. For example, this one is not 5,000, it's just 8,500, for example, with less 10. So I can just put it this one and then click in OK, and if I go to the final step over here, I will see the transformation already done. Then you click in close and apply, and then Power BI will change the information in your manual data set. Okay guys, so this is a good way when you want to just input some manual data without so many uploads. Okay, this is a way to include static information in your project in Power BI, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think this is a good for you, just comment below what do you think, how do you use in your project, in your job. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe in our channel if you like this kind of content. Don't forget to share this content with your friends, with your family, with people that want to enter in data market. So it will be a pleasure to help you guys to achieve your goals, and then you can succeed in the data market, okay, as a data analyst or data scientist, whatever, right? So see you again in the next video. Bye.